In this video, I'm going to be teaching y'all about char arrays. So to start off, you want to put include string.h at the top of your program. And something important to know is that a char is 1 byte. It's kind of important to know. Now let's make a char array. Char word 1 of size 8 is equal to hello. Now printf word 1 is %s. Word 1 is hello. Perfect. But we said that word 1 was of size 8, so let's see what that looks like in memory. So what you have are 8 bytes, and you can store a letter in each byte, and then the system does this thing where it stores a \0. So the \0 lets the compiler or computer know to stop, because the computer is going to keep on reading until it reaches this. So if you don't have this right there, it's just going to go on forever. So the computer is nice and inserts that right there for you. And you have these 2 unused bytes. And you can use them later, but we'll learn that in another video. So, cool. And we can also say printf the length of word 1 is %d strlen or strlen word 1. So this function returns the length of word 1. The length of word 1 is 5. So this is how strlen works. It will count all the characters until it reaches this right here. Let's go back. Cool. Now, there's another way to make a char array. You can say char word 2 is equal to hola. And notice how here we didn't specify the size of the char array, because whenever you make a char array and just set it equal to text, the computer is smart enough to know how many bytes it needs. So printf word 2 is %s word 2. Run. Word 2 is hola. So, and we can also print this letter by letter if we wanted. Printf word 2 letter by letter is, and I for I is equal to 0, I is less than strlen of word 2, I plus plus. Then printf word 2 I. So remember that this is what hola would look like in memory. So we only want to look at indexes 0 to 3, and the length of hola is 4. So we want to print the character at the indexes that are less than 4. Let's see how this works. Word 2 letter by letter is hola. Perfect. Let's skip a line and move on. Let's make another char array. Char word 3, and we'll say it's of size 3. Whoa, we didn't specify the letters. We can do that index by index. So word 3 at index 0 is equal to h. Word 3 at index 1 is equal to I. Word 3 at index 2 is equal to the \0 thing. And we have to specify that by ourselves, or otherwise we will have an issue. And that's what it looks like. And let's print that out. Printf word 3 is %s \n word 3. Perfect. Word 3 is high. And you might be curious as to what happens if you try to print this character. And the answer is nothing, but let's try it out. Print F. The character at index 2 of word 3 is %C. And we'll put word 3, the character at index 2. Let's try it out. Exactly nothing, because \0 doesn't really have anything. So yeah, that's the basics of char arrays.